Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative, Curious, Learning, and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you some quick cleaning motivation, wiping down my countertops and stove. There has been a battle with dishes, like always. They seem to never end, so getting to the stovetop and countertops doesn't always happen right away, but I'm tackling it now. What is one thing that you don't always get to because maybe you're tired from doing another task? Go ahead and do that while you are watching this video. And this is also a Tiny Tidy Tuesday video hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. I will have her channel linked down below in the description, along with the playlist to more videos from great creators here on YouTube sharing their Tiny Tidy Tuesday cleaning motivation for you to tackle the things on your to-do list this week. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 6-month-old, and we share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and more. So definitely stick around, subscribe, and I'm going to put on some music, and I will be back in a little bit.
Let me take a moment to apologize for the way that I've been. Now I realize that you're my morning star. You're my everything. All of the worries and fears don't matter as long as I got you. Anxiety, fear, doubt don't matter as long as I got you. I know I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and I know I'll soar on wings like eagles if I wait on you. You're God from here to the end of your life. Still always the same, it's true. I know that I can always count on you. Every single moment that I think about what you have brought me through, all of the highs and the lows, I could hardly see my way. Now I see your light, it's guiding me right through, and I feel your power, it's pulling me through. No need for lamps or sun, your light is shining through, and all of the darkness is filling up this room. You're God from here to the end of your life. Still always the same, it's true. I know that I can always count on you. God said, let there be light in the darkness, let there be hope in the madness. Yeah, we got great treasure. God said, you know my glory, every phase of the story. Yeah, I know it, I know it. No need for lamps or sun, your light is shining through, and all of the darkness is filling up this room. You're God from here to the end of your life. Still always the same, it's true.
today's video, some quick cleaning motivation for you. Don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel, linked down below, and the playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.